We'll start with the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 metal detector, our choice for the best budget metal detector. With a budget price of around $100, a simple control panel and lightweight design, the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 is one of the best budget metal detectors available, and a great choice for those new to metal detecting. Even if you've never used a metal detector before, the Tracker 4 has been designed for ease of use. Its simple analog display includes adjustments for sensitivity and discrimination, giving it a quick learning curve. You get 3 search modes on the Tracker 4. The All Metal mode detects aluminum, steel, brass, copper, iron, silver, and gold, and is useful for relic hunting. The Tone mode features 2-tone audio with automatic iron rejection, and the Full Discrimination mode rejects what it considers trash items based on how the range is set. An 8-inch waterproof concentric search coil provides a decent balance between sensitivity and ground coverage. And while there is a built-in speaker, you can plug in a set of headphones through the 1/4-inch jack. This is especially important as there's no volume control, and you can expect a runtime of up to 30 hours from a single set of 9-volt batteries. However, at this low price, some compromises had to be made. There's no ground balance adjustment function, so you won't be able to use it on saltwater beaches or areas with high mineralization. Also missing is a digital target ID, depth indication, and iron audio. While these are all useful features, it's hard to complain considering the low price. The Tracker 4 is a capable detector that does a good job of picking up any type of metal, including relatively small targets. If you're on a tight budget, or new to this hobby, the Tracker 4 is an excellent starter choice. It provides plenty of detection capability and has a short learning curve. If you want to stay in the realm of entry-level detectors, but want a few more features, check out our next model, the Nocta Macro Simplex Metal Detector, coming up next.